How to use repeaters in Wix Studio. So in this video, I will show you how to use those repeaters. So in order to do that, I have in here this blank section, and I'll head over and add in here an element, which is repeater. Click onto this add an element option, or you can also click onto this plus icon right here. Now we have in here the quick add, and then under that, we already have the repeater. So head over and then click onto this repeater option right here. And then you can just drag it wherever you want to put it onto the particular section that we have in here available. So now we have the repeater. So as of right now, you can change those repeaters. We have cards, we have lists, we have sliders, and we also have grade cells. For this one, I'll head over and then choose the slider option aside from the other options that we have available. So using the slider option, the visitor of your site can actually slide in order to see the items. So for this one, let's add items. Click onto this add item option, and then from in there, you should be able to open the item editor. From your items, you can either add some medias that you want to input right here into your particular slider. So that's how you use repeaters in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.